Hi guys and welcome to ICO Investor. In this video we will talk about a great platform called Huobi.com. This platform has it all. It has trading, it has margin trading, it has spot trading, and it has P2P, peer-to-peer. So we'll go through all of that in the next few minutes. Everything is of course down below in the description included, so you can check that out. But before we start, this is not a financial advice, this is only for educational purposes, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform. As you can see, very nice interface, very simple, very easy to use, very familiar as well, like other platforms as well. As you can see here on the upper left corner, you will have buy crypto, market, spot trading, derivatives, finance, and learn more if you want to inform yourself. And the signing up process is pretty much standard. And also there's a sign-in bonus here. You get up to $150 and 20,000 Shiba Inu. So you can, I don't have to explain to you how to sign up. You sign up with your email or your phone and you get through some steps. And also there's something rather important you need to consider here, that you will have to verify your account with a governmental issued ID or a license or a passport or whatever. You need a legal document to verify yourself, because there are some options here you will only be able to use once you verified yourself. So let's go and start how to use this platform and what's it all about. So obviously you have to buy crypto. You can buy crypto simply and easily here, and there is a pretty interesting concept. That's a quick buy and sell. Quick buy and sell, it's pretty easy and simple and straightforward. You can pay with Visa or MasterCard or credit card or even debit card. And also, it's pretty standard across the industry. You just put the amount you want to get and the cryptocurrency you want. You want USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever, and you can verify your payment, and within probably 5 minutes or so, everything will be in your wallet. But the interesting aspect here is a P2P, peer-to-peer. And this will be the part you will need to verify yourself first, because it will be peer-to-peer. You will be buying from actual people and you will have to link your bank account as well. So it's quite an interesting concept, adding some layers of security, because they will be the middleman holding your purchase or whatever you're buying or selling until the other person also completes the transaction. So this will add kind of peace of mind on your side as well, that everything in place and everything is going smoothly. Once you get in here, you will be welcomed with a video explaining to you also in details how to use it if you want to get much into details. But it's pretty simple. You buy it here and you complete your transaction and you give confirm, and the other side as well gives confirm. So everything is completed and it's good to go for both of you. Both sides are just beneficials over here. And as you can see here, the markets are quite interesting. That's kind of considered a crypto market cap, concise and integrated in the market. You can have an overview of what's going on in the market. As we speak now, you know, Bitcoin, the story, the crash, all the mess going around. Everything is going more or less now into the red zone. People are losing some money here with a crypto crash. But generally speaking, you have an overview. If you want to spot a good trade, everything is included here, so you don't have to scatter your attention across different platforms or different websites. Everything is one place and you can easily manage your way. Spot trading, that's the exciting part. So what's spot trading for those of you who don't know? Spot trading is simply you buy the actual coin and you keep it in your wallet. That's spot trading, like no leverage. The other trading is over here. That's called margin trading. Margin trading is that you don't own it, but you bet that the price is going up. That's called long trading. Or the price is going down. That's called short trading. I do have my personal preferences when it comes to leverage trading, and especially with the current market conditions, I'm not really recommending people to go with higher leverages, but it's up to you. And of course you have to do your own studies and manage your risks somewhere if you want to use leverage trading. But be aware that it can be a bit risky when the market is highly volatile like nowadays. Trading bots also is here, but it's in a beta mode, so you'll have to wait until it's completely finished. And also the brokerage here is included. Derivatives, it's simple. You can just go through it and everything is well explained. Derivatives overview, and you can read through what they're offering over here and how the hot topics or hot coins are included, and you can see what they want to invest in. And over here you have the finance will include staking and the prime pools and staking. Pretty simple, pretty easy to use, well known. You click here and you go through staking. You will see the high earnings or the high yield, and you can see what kind of coin you want to stake, what kind of returns you will get. Of course it fluctuates a little bit and you can decide whether you want to jump in or not, and things are pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Something also rather important here before we finish this video is a Twitter account. It's pretty huge, 1.1 million followers. You can check it out. Everything of course is linked down below in the description, and you can get in touch with the team. You can see what they're on about and you can inform yourself more and more about this exciting platform. And as I told you, the eye-catching thing here is a P2P trading. I would highly advise you to check it out, get yourself more informed, and the more informed you are, the more excited you will be about this concept, because it will save you a lot of time and it will be beneficial for both you and the other side as well whenever you're trading crypto. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the Huobi platform. This platform, as I told you, it has it all. It has trading, spot trading, P2P, peer-to-peer, very interesting concept. So everything is included here, and everything also is included down below in the description. Feel free to check it out. And as usual, if you found any value out of this video, hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button so many people can reach out for this video. And if you have any questions, if you want to get to know anything, leave it down below in the comments, and see you next one. Bye bye.